Welcome to the 2020 BCCA Virtual Therapy Beardy Parade. I'd like to give you a brief overview about therapy dogs and introduce you to a few of our therapy Beardies. People who are in the hospital, long-term hospice care, or have psychiatric issues often find communicating with a dog much easier than communicating with other people. Our Beardies provide a much-needed mental lift and spread a lot of happiness as they go on their visits. This can make hospitalization or medical treatment much more bearable for many and give them something to look forward to. Research shows that dogs help children learn to read. One of the biggest challenges for young kids learning to read is the embarrassment of making mistakes. Reading to dogs provides a comforting furry friend who listens and takes the pressure off, and kids clearly love it. Have you ever wondered why looking into your sweet Beardie's eyes makes you feel all warm and funny inside? It turns out that this is a great bonding exercise. Dogs also help us when we're depressed. We all know that animals can calm us down and bring us out of a bad mood. Time with a dog relieves loneliness and isolation, and we're less likely to experience depression. That combination of unconditional love and slobber seems to be good for our souls. There are so many benefits to pet therapy. A therapy dog is trained to provide affection, comfort, and support to people in settings such as hospitals, retirement homes, nursing homes, schools, libraries, hospices, or disaster areas. They reduce boredom, decrease anxiety, help kids learn empathetic and nurturing skills, provide affection, comfort, and support, participate in physical activities, and encourage social and communication skills. So what makes a great therapy dog? Temperament is the first and most important thing. A good therapy dog has an exceptional temperament. This means the dog has a people-pleasing attitude towards folks from all walks of life. They should be able to moderate their behavior instinctively to avoid hurting someone. Socialization is important too. Therapy dogs must be highly social with both people and other dogs, and should also be generally calm, open, and not fazed by new situations, loud noises, or sudden movements. They need to be obedient. Your dog should listen to you and be under your control at all times. Excellent health is important too. Annual physical exams and all required shots must be kept current. They gotta be squeaky clean. This includes the ears, eyes, breath, and all toenails need to be trimmed and smooth. You're probably wondering what evaluators look for in a good therapy dog. Exact testing requirements differ based on the organization's requirements. Some organizations offer classes which strengthens the dog's ability to focus and therapy training to help prepare you and your dog for therapy visits. Does your Beardie get along with other dogs? How well does your dog listen to you? Will your dog allow strangers to pet them? Does your dog like to jump on people? Does your dog walk on a leash without pulling? Is your dog clean and healthy? And is your dog calm during petting or rough handling? Is your dog going to be okay with people using a wheelchair, walker, or crutches? While not a requirement, AKC's Canine Good Citizen Test covers the good manners that every dog should have, including coming when called, sit, down, stay, and reacting appropriately to friendly strangers and other dogs. The Canine Good Citizen Test can be used as a stepping stone to prepare for therapy dog training. Once you've got your basic training down pat, you'll want to contact an organization for hands-on testing to put your dog through its paces. Here's a list of national therapy dog organizations. You may also want to Google local groups in your area. A therapy dog certification ensures that both you and your dog are well trained, and it reduces the liability to facilities that you'll be visiting. Once you're certified, the organization will put you in touch with people or facilities that would love to have a visit from you and your dog. Before you actually go out on a visit, Your dog must be covered by a specific insurance policy. This may be provided by the certifying organization, or you may have to purchase it privately. Our Beardies have earned an impressive number of titles. In 2020, so far we have 23 titles in Therapy Dog Novice, 36 titles in Therapy Dog, 9 titles in Therapy Dog Advanced, 6 titles in Therapy Dog Excellent, and 3 titles in Distinguished Therapy Dog. Let's meet 3 of our therapy Beardies. First up, Daisy, all-around driving Miss Daisy, and Buffett, Buffett's Love and Luck. Owned and loved by Darlene and Matt Aroux, Daisy and Buffett visit as a team at Beaumont Hospital in Trenton, Michigan. Daisy is really good with tail wags as she greets patients and staff at the hospital. She's a hit as soon as she walks in the door, and the nurses just love her. Daisy is 4 years old and has been a therapy dog for 3 years. Buffett seems to know which patient needs him most. People smother him with hugs and kisses as soon as the elevator doors open. Buffett is 13 years old and has been a therapy dog for 3 years. Next we have Mallory, all-around Mockingjay, girl on fire. Mallory is the official therapy dog of the Austin Police Department. She relieves the stress of officers, detectives, and staff by performing tricks, barking to announce she's on the scene, and investigating trash cans for illegal treats. On Thursday evenings from 10:30 p.m. to 12:30 a.m., she joyously winds her way through a maze of 160 cubicles at the Austin 911 call center, greeting all the operators and the late shift until she falls asleep in the arms of a first responder. Mallory is 4 years old and has been a therapy dog for 3 years. She is escorted on her visits by Gretchen and Darren Blackburn from Austin, Texas. From nose boops to belly rubs, our therapy Beardies are licking loneliness and making people smile. It's a wonderful way to spend time sharing your Beardies' love with others. If you'd like more information on how to get involved in pet therapy with your Beardie, email woof@mygrande.net.